Good evening. Today we are going to solve assignment number 8. We have first problem, determine the member force in member AD of the following truss. E and A is given. So now we have to find out value of DSE. So we have three supports and we will get DSE. Now we cannot go R minus equilibrium equations. We will get a lot. By seeing the figure, we are going to get DSE equal to 1. Because if we know force in this member, these two reactions can be calculated. For these two, we have one, means one reaction we have over here parallel to this member, another reaction we have parallel to this member, and third we have that is here vertical. So we have let RB we are going to consider as a redundant reaction. So we will consider RB as redundant. So if we will consider RB as redundant, then we are going to get truss in this fashion. Now we do not have any reaction over here, so this member becomes 0. We have force in this member, let us we have FDA, and in this member we have FDC. We have this as 30 kilonewtons, and vertical we have that is 20 kilonewtons. Then we will apply summation. So angle, if we will see tan inverse of 4 by 2, so we will get this angle 63.43. And then we have minus, so we will first apply summation fx0. So we have minus fda cos 63.43 plus fdc cos 63.43, and then we have actually minus 30 equal to 0. I will directly take 30 on this side. So I have this as equation 1. Now I will go second equation, summation fy0, and then we have minus fda sine 63.43 minus fdc sine 63.43 and minus 20 equal to 0. So 20 I will take on right side, so minus becomes plus. And then we will solve equations, solve 1 and 2. We will get value of fda, that is equal to minus 44.72 kilonewton, and fdc equal to 22.35 kilonewton. So this gives us P forces. So if I will plot it, FDA, we have compression. Value is 44.72. And then DC, we have tension because we have value plus 22.35. And force in this member, we have 0. Now we will apply unit reaction. So we have this as simple support. This member, we will apply unit value. And this simple support. So by this we are going to get force in this as 1. So this is D. And now if we will go to join D, so we have this as upward 1. This is F DA. So this is A. This is C and B. And this is FDC. Now from this we are very clear. We have FDA equal to FDC. because horizontal component will be balanced by each. And then we have 2FDA sine 63.43. So these values we have minus plus 1 equal to 0. So I will directly take 1 on this side. And from this I will get FDA equal to FDC, that is equal to. So we have value 0.56, but is minus, because we have this as minus and then we have plus, and as they will go on right side, we are going to get this value that is going to be minus. So we have this will be 1 upon 2 sine 63.43. And then we will have this value that is equal to 0.56. And this value we will get, as it is upward, this is downward, this is upward, and we are going to get this value that is downward. Value will be 0.56. Sorry, inside. And then we have R equal to minus summation PKL upon AE divided by summation K square L upon AE. Now we have this as, so now we will first go summation PKL upon AE. So we have summation PKL upon AE. So that is equal to AD value we have minus 44.72 into plus 0.56 into length we have that is equal to 4 square plus 2 square, and that length we will get as 4.472. And second we have that is plus, which is 22.35 into 0.56 into 4.472. And if we will calculate this value, then we are going to get this is equal to 56.03. So we have this value 56, that is minus 56.03. Then we will go to summation K square L upon A, and then we will get this value that is equal to K we have 0.56, so I will go directly 2 times. K we have 0.56 square, L we have 4.472, plus we have middle dB, so that is 1 into 4. And if we will calculate this value, we will get 6.805. Both we have upon AE. Now if we will substitute this value in R, then we will get R that is equal to minus minus become plus 56.03 divided by 6.805. We will get this value that is equal to 8.23. So 56.03 divided by 6.805, 8.23 kilonewtons. Now we are interested to find force in AD. So we can have formula PF is equal to P plus QK, RK I can say. P we have minus 44.72, R we have 8.23 and K we have 0.56. And by solving this, we are going to get this value, that is minus 40.11 kilonewton, and we have option C. So answer we have C. Then we have second problem, determine the horizontal reaction at support C. So we have horizontal reaction. So whenever we will go for this, always calculate K forces first and then go for P forces. First I will make truss determinate. So first we will make truss determinate. By removing horizontal reaction at C. So we have only vertical reaction over here. So here we have, that is 30 kilonewtons. Here we have two reactions. Here we have 20 kilonewton. So this is 4 meters. We have this as 4 meters. And then by knowing this, we can find forces in members. So now we have this as 30, and if we will take moment about this, then we have, that is 30 plus 250, 50 into 4 divided by 8, and we will get this reaction upward 25 kilonewtons. Now we have horizontal reaction at C as redundant, so I will go simultaneously that also. So now we have two reactions over here. We have one reaction over here, and this we are going to apply as 1. Now by summation fx0, we will get this reaction 1. Now this will be 0 because we have two members collinear, third will be 0. If we will go at joint D, as we have only two members, both are 0. And from this we will get this as 1, and we will have this also as 1. And therefore I want forces in two members only, that is AB and BC. Now we have this as 20 kilonewton, so this angle is 45 degrees. So I need not require to calculate anything. So we have force in this member will be compression. I will not calculate value. And as angle is 45, so both components should be same. So we have this as 25. And this also we are going to get again 25. And then I will go directly summation PKL upon A constant, so we will not put the value. Now we have 2 times 25 K we have 1, L we have 4, and we will get it as 200. And summation K square L upon AE, and we have again 2 times K square L 1, and this is we have 4, so it goes to 8. And then we have R is equal to minus summation PKL upon AE divided by summation K square L upon AE. So we have AE actually in denominator of both. And then from this we will get minus 200, AE gets cancelled upon 8, and we will get it as minus 25 kilonewton. Minus sign shows our direction is wrong, and we have 25 kilonewton towards left. And we have answer, that is A, 25 kilonewton. So we will stop here only. Then next problems we will go in next video, that is part 2. So thank you.